Hello, and welcome to Replicon. While your free trial of Replicon is being created, we'll take a look at how you can connect Sage Intacct to your Replicon instance. To begin, we will exit the demo version of Replicon. We will now find ourselves on the timesheets page. Before we go any further, we need to have our Sage Intacct integration set up. Head over to the Administration tab and then scroll down to the bottom to find our integration area. From here, we will be able to see which integrations we currently have installed. Since we need Sage Intacct, we'll click over to the Browse Integrations tab, click on Sage Intacct, and then we can begin the install. Step 1 is easy. Click on Yes, Continue. Next, we will need to fill in our Replicon instance information. This will be all found in your welcome email. Check your spam folder just in case. The 3 fields you will need to fill in are company, login name, and password. You can copy and paste these fields from the email, then click Link Account. I've skipped ahead and entered all of my credentials. If correct, you'll get a connection success message. Scroll back up and hit Next to continue. Finally, we will enter our Sage Intacct credentials. Fill in your username, password, and company ID, and then click Link your account to continue. Again, I have entered my credentials. After clicking Link your account and getting the connection successful message, I can scroll up and click Done to finish the setup. Here, we will have control over our invoice and project scripts. This page is on the Integrations tab we clicked through earlier. Now that everything is installed, we'll have to turn on the connector. Click over to Projects and select Start to begin running the scripts. Our recipe will automatically check for any projects created in Sage Intacct. The recipe runs on a timer, but if you need to sync something sooner, click View Report. From here, select Check Now to run the recipe instantly. We don't have any new projects to sync at this time, so let's make one in Sage Intacct. Within Sage, I have created a quick project and filled in some of the project information. I'll save it and we can see it listed here on the Projects page. Back in Replicon, we can see our recipe has discovered the new project we created, as well as the changes we have made within the project. We can drill down further by clicking on the job ID. This page gives us all the details of the sync. To find the project, we'll need to click on the Projects tab at the top of the screen. Here, we can see the project has been imported with all of the project information. Next, we'll look at syncing invoices. Again, we'll have to head back to our Integrations page, navigating through the Admin tab and to our Sage Intacct landing page. Just like with our projects, we'll have to click Start to start the recipe. Next, we will head over to the Billing tab and then select Invoices. From here, we click the checkbox for the invoices we would like to sync and then press Sync Invoices at the top. After navigating back to the connector through the Administration tab, we can see that the recipe has found the invoice that we had queued to sync. Back in Sage, we can see that the invoice has been synced along with all of the information and different line items present in that particular invoice. This brings me to the end of the demo. Now you are ready to jump into your own instance, armed with all the knowledge you need to integrate Replicon and Sage Intacct seamlessly.